Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Some more important points. We were discussing the topic called the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam commanded Muslims not to enter a plague infested area. So, actually, Allah willing, will elaborate further on this subject with some duas, supplications in future in coming topics. But we must re-emphasize that the fact unhealthy air plays a major role in causing the plague. So air becomes unhealthy when it becomes polluted because of septic materials or pollutants, no matter what time of year, although it usually happens in the later part of the summer and in the autumn, is when the rain starts. Uh, Around June, after June, you can say after June 15th and July, August. So people usually fall ill. So this is because during these times of the year and when the air is most polluted, acute bilious excretions will accumulate during the summer, yet would not have maturated by the end of the season. So in the autumn, the air is usually cold, and thus the immature excretions that accumulated in the summer will heat up and start to get spoiled and decayed, this causing putrid illness. This is especially the case when the body is ready to accept such ailments, being inactive and having abundant septic materials, both of which rarely spare the body from ailments. So we should state that the best season of the year is spring, especially regarding the air. Talking about Hippocrates, Hippocrates said autumn carries the worst types of ailments and deadly sickness. Spring, on the other hand, is the best season and has the least occurrences of death. So, pharmacists and those who prepare dead bodies for burial usually borrow money during spring and summer rather than autumn. This is because of them autumn is their spring, and they are eager for its coming and feel happy when it starts due to increased number of deaths in the autumn. So it is reported in the hadith, when the Najm, literally Najm is called star, appears, every epidemic is removed from every land. So this Najm is said to mean the star or the planet or the plants that appear in spring, and the herbs or stars and the trees both prostrate themselves to Allah. This is chapter number 55, verse number 6. So, meaning during spring, because it is the season when the trees are at their prime and thus the epidemics are removed. So, epidemics, that means nowadays, epidemics, you can say pandemic is going on, but this is mentioned. So, this all are taken from hadith and Sahih ulema that epidemics are removed when the trees they grow. So, as for the Najm, North Star, in this case, ailments intensify when it rises and then sets just about dawn. So, At-Tirmidhi said in this book, the secret of the existence, the worst 2 times of the year and the most harmful for the body are when the North Star sets just before dawn and when it appears from the east before the sun rises on the world. So this is the time when spring is about to end. So yet the harm that occurs when it appears is less than harm caused by its setting. So further Abu Muhammad bin Qutayba rahmatullah alayh, he said, whenever the Pleiades uh, whenever the Pleiades in astronomy, the star cluster was named in the ancient Greek after the seven sisters of mythology. The Arab called it Atharia. When the Pleiades rises or sets it brings about an epidemic for people and camels, yet its setting is worse than when it is rising. So there is a third opinion also regarding the meaning of the hadith, that is, the star means the plagues and the epidemic is that which attacks the plants and fruits during winter and in the beginning of the spring. So when the star rises, the plant will be safe and from such epidemics during that time. So this is why the Prophet ﷺ disallowed selling or buying fruit before it is apparent that they are good. So this is the end of the topic. Inshallah, we will now in the next coming topic we will be discussing the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam commanded Muslims not to enter the plague infested area and to remain in the infected area. So that is important because that will be the complete of this epidemic season. Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.